I almost forgot while filming this video, so I'm going to set it off like this. Leave your top favorite Blink-182 songs. It could be your favorite one, top 3. My favorite Blink-182 song is Adam's song. Love that record. Leave yours in the comment box below. Now let's get into this review. DJ Delz. Funko Pop addicts! What's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. We got this Funko Pop, which I never did a review on, and that is of Travis Barker from Blink-182. I love this group. I seen them live over at one of the first Warped Tours, and they killed it. And I was going to actually see them live again, but unfortunately when I was going, that was right when they broke the news about DJ AM passing away. So that whole show got messed up, which is totally understandable. They were actually at the event, but they left the event that we were at, the actual concert. It was still a pretty good concert, though. There was a lot of other great bands there, but the headliner was Blink-182 and Weezer. Great show, though. So this definitely was one that I've had for a little bit, and I totally forgot to give you guys a review on it because I just forgot. You know, sometimes I'll pick up so many damn pops and then I'll totally forget that I actually had to shoot a review on this. Well, don't have to, but wanted to. One thing very disappointing is that Tom is not part of this. He is no longer in the band. He has left the band. He's like crazy into like aliens and stuff like that now. And like UFOs. If you have no clue about that, check all that out. Just search his name and write UFOs. And he has this one interview with Joe Rogan, both of them actually, Tom and Travis, and the Travis Barker interview was just recently this week, and I just forgot about a lot of the hardships that he went through, especially with that accident, that plane accident, and it reminded me, man, I never shot a review on these, and I only picked up Travis if Tom and Mark was available. I would have picked up the whole band, but being that I'm trying not to buy Funko Pops, even though that's kind of hard to do, I'm just going to get Travis since I can't get Tom and Mark. I hate when they do that. They don't release the whole band. But enough with the talking. Let's take Travis Barker out of the box. And there he is. Got great details on his hands. He has self-made. He's wearing his famous clothing line, rocking some high socks with the, looks like Vans, some camo shorts, and of course his drumsticks, hat to the back, and just getting close up on him. Awesome pop. There's a look at his other side. And please, right now, hit that thumbs up button for that out-of-the-box look. I know not everyone likes taking them out of the box. We do that here. So please, bang that thumbs up button, show that love. There's a look at his back. No stand, which is pretty unfortunate. Should have a stand. It's an awesome pop, though. Definitely an awesome pop. Must have. I will link him in the description box below. And also a whole bunch of other Funko Pops that I think you all are going to want to pick up. So definitely check the description box below. Like, for instance, the Michael Jordan Funko Pop. You can pre-order still, I'm pretty sure. The Rick James is actually available now. LeBron James, the Colonel Sanders. I mean, I'm just going to list a whole bunch of them for your convenience. I like to help everyone out and do that. And I should be posting a new review, possibly double up today. I may hit you with 2 in 1. I did get this right here, the Billy Idol Funko Pop, which looks absolutely awesome. So that's one I plan on reviewing. And I did score the Mr. Bean Chase. So definitely let me know what I should review next. Oh, and I also got this too. I never reviewed this. This is another one I never reviewed, the Cody Rhodes one. I know a lot of people are excited about AEW. And let me know what you want me to review first. I'll read all the comments and put all that in perspective. Let me know what you've been picking up lately, anything you're looking for. I'm looking for the metallic Skeletor. I'm definitely looking for the metallic Skeletor. And I think that's really all I'm really looking for right now. Oh, definitely I'm trying to get the Target exclusive of Michael Jordan, releasing on the 1st of next month. I'm going to be extremely busy that day, so if anyone wants to look out and is able to pick one up, just go ahead and do that, because I really would love to have it for the collection and shoot an awesome video on it. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Much love out there, and we out.